Okay, here we go. I believe we're working on a Dakota. Sorry. And it's a pickup. But we have a lot of dirt in this thing. We have dirt, and dirt. Not grease or grime, just dirt and trash. Dirt and trash. So I gotta make some kind of fun out of this. Singing my little dirt song. And I don't even want to lift up this floor mat and see. Wow. That looks like it's never been stepped on. That's crazy. Let's see what we got in here. Dirty doors. Dirty floors. I told you I gotta make some kind of fun out of this. That might be mold growing, I'm not sure. Yep, it's a Dakota for sure. So I'm starting to learn my cars. You would think I might know all about cars since I detail them, but I don't. I really don't. I don't know nothing about cars. I just clean and buff and shine. Wax and all of that kind of fancy stuff. And yeah, we got dirty doors and dirty floors. I don't even want to see behind here or under here. Okay, let's look under here, see what we got. Whoa, we got broken glass. I don't know, that's a nice little CD. I wonder what's on it. Well, either way it go, let's go ahead and get this thing clean. I'm also gonna buff this out as well. I gotta dry it. Windows are dirty as heck too, but dirty air vents, dirty everything. So this was obviously a work truck of some sort. All right, we're back here with this Dodge Dakota. It's not perfect, but it's far more clean than what it was. I still got a little minor dust in certain areas, but man, you should have seen before I started. Right there I could probably touch up. I'm probably not going to, because this is already my second day working on this car, and I have to make it work for the price, because I don't want to end up with $5 an hour or something like that. So and again, like sometimes you got to make it work for the price. This is pretty great for the price here. I've done some awesome work on it. Shine the tires. I did buff and wax it. I got the carpet clean underneath the seat. Let's see if I got that underneath the seat. Yep, I sure did. That right there, I don't know what that is, but that won't come out for any reason. Even hot water extracted that, and that's never coming out. It's just in there. And remember, at the beginning of this video, I was saying filthy doors, filthy floors. So we got the floors a lot cleaner and the doors a lot cleaner. And I got as much dust out of these vents as I could. I just would rather not spend another hour on this, because like I said, I got to make it work for the price. So it's good the way it is, and hopefully everybody's happy with it. So I still got wax on these windows I'm getting ready to take off, but that's no big deal. And like I said, you know, it's still some minor. I'll probably go through and wipe that off anyway. I'm not gonna leave that like that, but man, you should have seen the way it started off. So oh well. And that's about it, guys.